Welcome to the Voice of America's News Words. Here is a word that has to do with art and sometimes history too.
Museum.
National Gallery of Art Associate Curator Charles Brock says another goal is to encourage people to visit museums.
Museums, of course, are dedicated to preserving culture for future generations, and so we have to make sure that those future generations are interested.
A museum is a building where interesting and beautiful things are kept. The objects are put out for the public to see. Museums can be about art, culture, or history. They can be privately owned or operated by a government.
Now, the next time you hear the word museums, you will know what this news word means.